drop to spare. Here we are at Soil-Born Farms. We use a lot of water every single day to water all of our fruits and vegetables. We're situated right between Cordova Creek and the American River, which is where we get all of our water from. We ask ourselves every day, what can we do to protect this water? Because it is a limited resource. We're going to do an experiment today to show exactly why our water is so precious and why we need to be so protective of it.
All right, Emily, go ahead and point out our bucket right there. What's that bucket full of?
Water.
That bucket represents all the water in the world. All the water in oceans and snow and ice and rivers. Now, Emily, take our 2-cup measure and take 2 cups of water out of that bucket. Those 2 cups represent all the fresh water in the world. The rest of the water in that bucket is all salt water, which means we cannot use it or drink it. Now, of that 2 cups, go ahead and take out a 1/2 cup. 3/4 of the fresh water in the world is frozen in glaciers and ice caps. So only 1/2 cup of water is available for rivers and rainwater and creeks and lakes for water we can use. So that 1/2 cup compared to the whole 5-gallon bucket is what we have available. Now, Emily, I want you to take 1/8 of a teaspoon of all the water, all the fresh water in the world. 1/8 of a teaspoon is all that's available for humans and animals to use. That means that it is not trapped in groundwater. That means that it is ready to go. So, of the original 5-gallon bucket, we have 1 drop to use to share among everything people need it for.
This is hardly any water, just 1 droplet. So what I want you to do is think about at home, what can you do to help preserve this tiny droplet of water?